Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Tsahi here. I'm so happy that you're joining me again for another video. Tonight I'm very excited because this is my first wig collaboration that I'm doing with my wonderful sister friend. Her name is NikkiNicole. Check out her channel. She is reviewing the very same unit that I'm going to review tonight. I will leave all her details below. I'll also link a video above and her Instagram and everything. Guys, follow her. She is a joy. I just love the way she speaks, that down south accent. I just love it. And she has some good stuff on there. She reviews in detail, and I just really want you guys to check her out. So without any further ado, let's get into this unit that we're going to talk about tonight from the Outre. Now remember, the last time I did an Outre wig review, it was a bit different. So we're gonna bring it down a little bit for my peeps who not into all of that boldness and all that color, right guys? So the name of this is Outre Every 2. It's the EveryWear lace front wig, the EveryWear collection. It looks like this. So it's my very first bob on this channel, and I'm excited because I've been looking for a cute bob for the longest while. Now there's also an every 1 and an every 3. I think the every 3 is the longer version to this one here. Let's get right into it. I will try it on first, and while it's on, I will talk about the pros and cons and my first impression. And if you're interested in this unit, check out the link above or the link below. So I'll be back. All right, so some details about this wig. Let me just show you the lace. It's supposed to be HD lace. There are 2 combs at the side, as well as one at the back with adjustable straps. It's a right side part wig, so you can see it's already pre-parted, and we shall see how it fits, so I can tell you if it's beard friendly or not. So let's try her on. She comes with baby hair if you're into that, and this is what she looks like. The texture is a slight yucky texture. She comes off a bit shiny, but what I've learned you can do to limit the shine is get some dry shampoo and give her a good spraying down and then comb it through, and it kind of eliminates the shine. Yes. Yes. Yes, let me just turn to the side. This is fitting nice and snug on my head. So I am going to cut the lace. Let me just show you where the lace, how it looks like around my ear. At this side. So you see, this is my hair, so I'm gonna have to bring it down a bit to get some coverage here. Oh, before I go, it's also slightly asymmetrical. I think one side, this side possibly a tad bit longer. Let's take a look at the stock card. Yeah, so tad bit longer on this side. So I'll be back. I've cut the lace, as you can see, and because it's transparent, it's not my skin tone. So now I have to tint the lace. I do have a lace tint that I purchased from Glam Life TT. I did spray a bit on it, but honestly I am not really seeing a big difference. So I'm going to follow up with my Sasha pressed powder on the inside, just a little bit to just bring it closer to my complexion as possible. Just gonna take a bit on my brush, my makeup brush. And this is just going in the parting space as well as the hairline. Alright, so this is what it looks like now with my tinting. Let's pop her back on. And let me try and see if I could rock this as a glueless install. If I do that, I definitely have to adjust the straps because it's a sleek bob and you want this to lay as flat as possible to really get the look you're going for. I must say, I'm ready to slay the day. I really am. I am. And let me just come close up without any gel or glue. This is what she looks like. Of course, once you gel or glue it down and lay it, you will not see that lace. And to top it all off, I'm going to put some of this powder in the parting space. Let's see the before and after of that look, of course. Oh, another tip you can do after laying your unit down and you find that you're still seeing a lot of the lace, you can, especially for the color 1B, which this is a 1B unit, black eyeliner, and just color into that space. This is me just trying on the wig to show you guys what it looks like, what she does, the texture, length, and all of those things. Right now it's 2 o'clock in the morning and I'm honestly not in the mood to do all of those things, but I definitely will in a follow-up. I will do a follow-up post on EveryWear and let you all know how she fared. Right, so pros. It was affordable. I will put the price right here. The length is perfect. It's perfect, especially for my climate, which is always hot. So the texture, slight yucky. It's not silky. So I like that. It's not a silky texture at all. She fits really well. I would say she's big head friendly. Just for my girls with bigger heads, leave the straps off. You wouldn't have to adjust the straps. I have to. The next time I wear it, I definitely have to because it's going all the way on my ear. It's covering my ear. So that's a good sign. It's big head friendly. She is heat safe up to 400 degrees. So if I really want to lay this down, I can flat iron it or run my hot comb through it. Also, what else? Oh, if you're into baby hair, she comes with baby hair, but I brush that back because no matter what, some of my hair always tends to peek out, so I could always lay my hair down. I don't need the additional baby hair. Oh, she comes in beautiful colors. Beautiful options. Are you seeing that? I just went natural. 1B, no muss, no fuss. right? So I believe those are the pros. Cons. If you're not into hair in your face, this is going to annoy you. This happens a lot. I believe if you do put a hairpin on both sides, I guess you can control it coming into your face like that. I believe that's probably how I would wear it, behind, either tucked behind my ear or pinned, because flyaways, a lot of it, but that could also be controlled with styling wax. I bought this on Amazon. It's called Care. So it's just a wax to tame the flyaways. So that is minor matters. I just called it a con, but really it's not that big of a deal. I did not get any shedding, neither tangling. Some hair is coming out because obviously some cutting took place with cutting the lace. So that is the only reason why I'm getting shedding. Other than that, no shedding, no tangling. I quite love it. She is bomb.com. I can't wait to see what Nicole has to say about this piece. I remind you to please, as soon as you finish watching mine, head over onto NikkiNicole and check her review. Well guys, I just want to say thank you so much for joining me again. I appreciate all of you. If you haven't subscribed at this point, I ask you to please subscribe, please share, please like. And it was a pleasure having you with me tonight. Thanks for watching. Bye.